Installation tutorial for MC100. Unscrew the screw. Open the upper cover from the host port. Align the hard drive with the screw groove and insert it diagonally into the hard drive. Tighten the screw. Paste silicone grease. Align the raised part of the upper cover with the position of the host port. Tighten the screw. Connect the data cable. Connect to your phone to use it. Connect to Windows system. If the hard drive is not recognized during initial use, it needs to be formatted. Right-click on the Windows icon at the bottom of the desktop and select Disk Management. Select the unassigned disk, right-click to select New Simple Volume, and click on the next page. Select exFAT format from the hard drive format, click on the next page, and then click Finish to open your disk. Connect to MacOS system. If the hard drive is not recognized during initial use, select Other in the Startup panel. Click on the Disk tool, select your external disk, and click Erase. Select exFAT format. Click Erase to open your disk.